unboxing. Let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, it's heavy. Ooh.
Oh, okay. Blume Flowerpot, girls. Cool. Let's see what else.
Okay. We got a Blume petal pets.
Ooh.
What's that? Ooh, look. It's like, there's like charms and bracelets and stuff. And you can collect a bunch of different ones.
We'll definitely try to open that.
Oh my god, there's more! It looks like there's like about 5 in there.
Ooh, how cute.
Okay, and there's a note. There's Happy Blooming. Oh look, there's like a little patch. It has like 2 little flowers
How
on it.
cute.
A pink one and a white. What magical bloom will you discover?
Oh.
So a little like black bag.
Oh, let me
And it
see.
looks like you can make some bracelets and stuff.
Bracelets, I
Oh,
love
and there's
it.
this really big thing right here. Ooh, that's weird.
Oh,
It's a flower pot girl. Ooh, 25 plus surprises. And they
Oh
look
my
like
gosh.
glittery and stuff.
glittery surprises inside of
Oh, look
there.
at the back. And there's like all the things you can get.
That is so fun.
And then there's another bag here. You can like paint them, I guess. right
Oh,
here.
okay.
And then paint that hair and then paint this robe that they're wearing, I think.
Little arts and crafts project.
Okay. Now there's like this little mask.
A mask for school?
Oh, that's so cute.
I like it. I like it.
And then there's another bag. It has these like little mini, like I think these are like those baby, like in here that they had.
Wow, I cannot believe everything that we found in this Blume box.
And then the last thing is the DIY dream catcher.
Oh, wow, this was an incredible box. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, now we get to play with everything. Well, what did you think about this box, this unboxing?
I think it's really cool, and all the things look really like pretty
Lots
and
of
to
fun.
play with.
You think you're gonna have fun playing with these toys?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so for more information, you could just look up Blume online, and that way you can check out these toys yourself. Blume Petal Pets. Lots of fun.